The Lepton XDS incorporated FLIR's MSX technology, FLIR's VividIR technology for 640 by 480 output resolution using Prism ISP, easy integration, USB out, fast time to market. However, it's not fast time to market for those who may not have software experience or be able to be put on an ecosystem. So for the first time ever, FLIR is offering, through the Lepton XDS, access to the Radiometric JPEG format from FLIR. The Radiometric JPEG format allows you to do things like get into the FLIR ecosystem to do reporting, work with Thermal Studio softwares to do post-analysis and post-processing of all the XDS images. Truly a remarkable and first within our industry. The Lepton XDS not only allows you for a fast integration through the incorporation of the FLIR patented MSX technology, the FLIR Prism ISP, giving you VividIR, the fast time to market because of its design, USB output. But no product would be complete without an ecosystem, a software package, right? And so what we've done for the first time is actually allow customers access to the Radiometric JPEG file through the capturing of images through the Lepton XDS. So as we see here, we've got our Lepton XDS screen on here with the MSX, a couple of boxes, a spot meter, etc. And I just go ahead and save that image. And when I save that image, I can actually come into my FLIR Thermal Studio software package and recall that image and actually start doing post-processing on it because it is in the Radiometric JPEG format. So I can do things like add a spot meter, add rectangles, get the temperature measurement of various objects and scenes, create reports, etc. This is truly on the FLIR ecosystem, allowing you greater access to things like report generation and post-processing, all through the Lepton XDS.